Hey guys, it is morning. Welcome to the vlog. It's the morning of December 24th, and I can't wait to show you all what we're gonna do after church.
Hey guys, we just got back from church, and we also have some gifts from the church, and I'm gonna show you first the boring ones. Let's get the interesting ones out of the way first. We don't need the interesting ones yet. So first we have this juice, which I hated with all my heart. It's disgusting. It has fruit pulp in it, and I don't like juices with fruit pulp. If you like it, I guess it's okay, but I don't like it. So don't hate me for hating juices with fruit pulp. And I also got two boring oranges. Nothing important, just two oranges. And now we got the more important stuff. So first off, we got these Milka biscuits, tiny biscuits. They have 4 packs inside. I think there's 6 of these in each pack. I don't know how to calculate. I mean, I might edit the total of them. So yeah. Then I also have some bigger, more different cookies. Apparently these are cereal. This is how it's written here. But I'm just gonna call them cookies. They're cookies. They're bigger cookies with chocolate. Here it does say, I think, how many of them there are here or not. It might not say here, but I might see. I don't know. I'm gonna see after I'm editing the video. Then I have these, which I already opened. These are my childhood. This is like those Kinder bars, kinda. Those tiny Kinder sticks that are with chocolate. This is that, but Milka version. And this was my childhood. My mother would always bring these at home, like 1 or 2, and I eat them, and they'd be so good. I already opened one and got one, and they're literally the taste of childhood. Then I got Milka with Oreo. It's just Milka with Oreo crumbs as usual. Nothing really interesting because I already eat this kinda. Like, it's not really an everyday thing, but I'm used to milk and Oreo. And then I also got these, which are actually really interesting. They're some sort of like sponge cakes, some tiny sponge cakes. These are with milk cream, and there are 5 in this box. And this is back. It's pretty kiddie, but they're really good actually. I remember the chocolate filling ones. I don't know what they like, what the box is like. I mean, inside. I don't know if the packaging is gonna be the same or not. But they have this weird game you can play. They have Romanian or European signs, like a traffic sign, or I don't know how you say it. And then we also got just some normal Oreos with a happy birthday party packaging. Looks okay, but it's just Oreos in a new packaging. There's nothing different. I mean, with some Oreos, they're literally the same flavor, but with different color filling. Or they're not the same flavor. Like some of the Lady Gaga ones that I did not get. Or I did not get the versions that you might think. I got the versions where they're the same colors as usual. Only one time for my sister. And yeah. So yeah, that was all my gifts. And also we already ate the Christmas Eve dinner. And we have these cookies and cupcakes, if you will. No, not cupcakes. Not muffins. Tarts, I think. I don't know how to say them. Their names. And yeah. We have cookies. They're homemade. The homemade cookies are really good. They're really tasty and cute. Okay, well, that's it for Christmas Eve. Tomorrow, I'm going to film as well. Hey guys, it is the 25th of December is Christmas Day, and we already had breakfast and everything. It's like 3 in the afternoon, and we got some games here to play. And we also have this, which I'm gonna post on Instagram, the picture of the Santa picture, because I like the way the puzzle will look like. I hope it'll look the same. And we're actually gonna start with the puzzle because I really want to finish it, and we can play these other games later. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And yeah.
Hello everyone, this is day 28 of the vlog. It's for those of you who are like, Why is the vlog still going? It's like a Christmas through New Year's vlog, that's why. That's my explanation. And this is like a review type of part of the vlog. I have a game here, and for the Switch, something similar to Mario Maker, in the sense of the packaging color is yellow. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video and open it, and then you'll see what it is. And here it is, my pride and joy. It's Sonic Mania Plus. I hope it's got the album as well and everything. It is Plus, thankfully, so it wasn't like just Mania normal. So yeah, I don't know if this is just a game, but I hope it's not just a game. So I have some bubble wrap here. Wait. I'm trying to pop it. But I really can't. Wait, maybe I can. It's not that... Oh, there we go. Oh, that is pretty good. Okay, now we got the game out. I like the way it looks. So here's the front. It's all metallic and cool. I'm actually gonna keep this, like, not the weird transparent thing over it. I'm gonna keep the packaging and everything. It's gonna look nice, but it's not. But it's gonna be rather big compared to a normal Nintendo Switch game. Yeah, this is my first time, and I'm really happy. I'm even sweating. I don't know if I should have said that. Okay, I'm so excited. Look at this. It's got the album. It's got the game, which I'm gonna have to open. And yeah, and I'll keep this, of course, the pamphlet slip-on thingy. Yeah, this is so excited. I'm so happy. It's got everything I need. Everything I actually thought of. I actually didn't know it was this thin, the art book or booklet. And yeah, I'm gonna look at this after the review. I'm gonna show you like a little sneak peek. Yeah, oh my god. The first ever Sonic game that's not like a mobile app or something like that I have. It's really cool. I really like it. And there's sounds outside the apartment. I hate it, but whatever. And is it as big as a normal Switch game? Apparently it is. I don't know what Nintendo was saying about being bigger. Oh, it is a little bit bigger, I think. No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay. I think it's like when you put it with this on, it is bigger. Yeah, it is, but like this, it's not. It's like the same size. And look, see, this is what I said. Both yellow. And here's the back. Again, it's the same, but less metallic. Yeah, I'm so happy I got the game. So yeah, I hope you all like this review. Oh, but it's kind of bent. But it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, I hope you like the review part of the vlog. Anyway, now we're going to move on to New Year's Eve. A little transition.
We're on 31st of December, and I can't wait for the countdown. I'm also going to be filming when the countdown happens. I'm going to say Happy New Year to everything on the channel and to all of you. Hey guys, we have the New Year's Eve dinner, and here it is. I like it. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everybody! Happy New Year, goodness gang! Happy New Year, table! Happy New Year, bed! Happy New Year, everybody!